Best USB network adapters ensure faster, stable streaming with low latency, stronger Wi-Fi reception, smoother HD playback, and reduced buffering issues. My today's video is about top 5 best USB network adapters for streaming that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at TP-Link 2-in-1 USB Bluetooth Wi-Fi adapter. The TP-Link Archer TX10UB Nano is an impressive upgrade for anyone looking to enhance both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth performance on a desktop or laptop. Combining Wi-Fi 6 technology with Bluetooth 5.3, this compact adapter delivers fast, stable, and efficient connectivity in a tiny plug-and-play design. With speeds up to 900 megabits per second, streaming, gaming, and video calls feel smoother and more responsive, especially on the 5 GHz band. Its OFDMA and MU-MIMO technologies improve network efficiency by handling multiple connected devices without slowing down performance. Bluetooth 5.3 also provides reliable pairing with wireless headphones, controllers, keyboards, and other accessories with low latency and stable connections. One of the standout features is its ultra-compact nano design, which stays discreetly connected without blocking other ports or creating clutter. The preloaded drivers make setup incredibly simple for Windows 11 and 10 users. Overall, the Archer TX10UB Nano is a reliable, high-performance solution for modern wireless connectivity needs. Now our second product is WavLink USB Wi-Fi adapter for desktop PC. The WavLink USB 3.0 Wi-Fi 6 adapter is a powerful networking solution designed to significantly upgrade desktop PC wireless performance. Delivering speeds up to 1,800 megabits per second across dual bands, it provides fast downloads, smooth 4K streaming, and low-latency online gaming without frustrating lag or buffering. The Wi-Fi 6 technology improves efficiency and handles multiple connected devices more effectively than older adapters. Its 4 high-gain 3D BI antennas greatly enhance signal strength and stability, making it ideal for larger rooms or areas with weaker Wi-Fi coverage. The included USB 3.0 cable and magnetic base allow flexible positioning for optimal reception while maintaining stable high-speed performance. Security is another strong point, with WPA3 encryption ensuring safer wireless connections. The Soft AP feature also adds versatility by turning your PC into a Wi-Fi hotspot for other devices. Overall, this adapter is an excellent choice for users seeking reliable, high-speed wireless connectivity on Windows 10 or 11 systems. Our third product is TP-Link Wi-Fi 6E USB adapter. This Wi-Fi 6E USB adapter delivers outstanding wireless performance for users who demand faster speeds, lower latency, and stronger connectivity. With access to the new 6 GHz band, it significantly reduces interference from crowded networks and older devices, creating a smoother experience for gaming, 4K streaming, and large file transfers. The tri-band design offers impressive combined speeds, while maintaining stable connections across multiple devices. MU-MIMO and OFDMA technologies greatly improve network efficiency by allowing simultaneous communication with several devices without sacrificing performance. The beamforming antennas also provide extended range and stronger signal quality, making it an excellent option for desktops located farther from the router. The included 1.2-meter USB 3.0 cable adds flexibility for positioning the adapter in the best possible location, while USB 3.0 ensures ultra-fast data transfer speeds. Security is equally strong thanks to WPA3 encryption, offering enhanced protection for personal data and passwords. Overall, this adapter is a future-ready upgrade for high-performance wireless networking. Now number 4, Ugreen 2-in-1 USB Bluetooth Wi-Fi adapter. This Wi-Fi 6 AX900 USB adapter is a compact yet powerful upgrade for desktops and laptops needing faster wireless connectivity and reliable Bluetooth support. Delivering speeds up to 900 megabits per second across dual bands, it provides smooth online gaming, HD streaming, and stable video conferencing with noticeably lower latency compared to older adapters. When paired with a Wi-Fi 6 router, the performance becomes even more impressive. The standout feature is its adjustable 6 dBi high-gain antenna, which significantly improves signal strength and penetration through walls, ensuring stable connections in multi-room environments. Bluetooth 5.4 adds excellent versatility, supporting seamless pairing with wireless headphones, controllers, keyboards, speakers, and more while maintaining backward compatibility with older Bluetooth devices. Its built-in driver support simplifies setup for Windows 10 and 11 users, making installation quick and convenient. The adapter also supports both receiving and transmitting Wi-Fi, allowing a PC to function as a wireless hotspot. Combined with WPA/WPA2 security protocols, it offers both performance and dependable network protection. And our last choice is Panda Wireless PU0F AXE 3000 Tri-Band. The Panda Wireless PU0F is a reliable Wi-Fi 6 USB adapter designed for users who want faster wireless speeds, lower latency, and access to the advanced 6 GHz frequency band. Simply plugging the adapter into a compatible Windows 11 or Linux system instantly upgrades wireless performance when paired with a Wi-Fi 6E router. This makes it an excellent choice for gaming, 4K streaming, video conferencing, and large file transfers where stable high-speed connectivity matters most. One of its strongest features is the pair of adjustable external antennas, which help locate the best possible signal and improve overall coverage and connection stability. This added flexibility is especially useful in larger rooms or areas with network interference. The adapter also supports modern wireless security standards, including WPA3, ensuring safer and more secure network connections. While Windows 10 does not support the 6 GHz functionality, users on supported systems will appreciate the impressive performance boost and dependable connectivity this compact adapter delivers. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.